line. Before hooking up the supply line, make sure the float lock is in the off position. We suggest that you replace your old supply line with a new flexible braided connector. If you do, discard the cone washer and supply nut provided with the HydroClean valve. Install the new flexible supply according to the instructions provided. Do not over-tighten or use plumber's putty to seal fittings. If you reuse the old supply line, there are 3 important areas to consider. 1. Make sure the sealing area is clean. 2. Make sure the rubber compression ring is not overly compressed. 3. Make sure there is no tension between an old metal supply line, the shutoff valve, and the new fill valve. If there is any tension in any area, replace with a flexible supply before proceeding. Use the cone washer supplied only if you have metal or copper flared tubing. Now, you're ready to turn on the water. Before turning on the water, make sure the float lock is engaged in the off position. Turn on the water. If you have shut off all the water to the building, run the bathtub to flush out any debris. When the running water is clear, you can disengage the float lock. After the tank fills, the water level can be fine-tuned by turning the thumb screw to adjust the float up or down. You have completed installation of your new HydroClean fill valve. You can save up to 30% of water waste by making a simple one-time adjustment to your new HydroClean valve. Using a container, slowly fill the toilet bowl with enough water until the water level stops rising. 1 gallon should be more than enough. Wait a few minutes for the excess water to drain. Mark the top of the water level on the bowl with a pencil. Flush the toilet. If the fill valve is still filling the tank after the water in the bowl reaches the pencil mark, you could be wasting up to 5 quarts of water with every flush. Our patented mini valve allows you to control the amount of water refilling the bowl, saving wasted water. Turn the mini valve clockwise to increase the amount of water filling the bowl. Or turn the mini valve counterclockwise to decrease the amount of water. After adjusting the mini valve, flush the toilet. Check that the toilet tank and bowl reach the proper levels at the same time. Repeat the mini valve adjustment until you achieve the proper result. You can check for flapper leaks with the help of our patented float lock. After the tank is filled to the proper level, engage the float lock in the off position. Do not use the toilet for 1 hour. Then recheck the water level inside the tank. If the water level has dropped, your flapper is leaking and should be replaced. With our HydroClean valve, there's no need to turn off the water to replace the flapper. Simply engage the float lock in the off position. Flush the toilet and remove the old flapper and bring it into the store to ensure that you purchase the correct replacement. After installing the new flapper, disengage the float lock to fill the tank. Now you're ready to enjoy all the benefits of your new HydroClean fill valve. Warning: do not use drop-in toilet bowl cleaners inside the tank. Doing so will result in damage to the tank components and void the HydroClean warranty. This damage could cause leaks, flooding, or other property damage. Thank you again for purchasing our HydroClean fill valve. If you have any questions or problems, please call us toll-free at 1-888-466-5741.